Hey everybody, welcome to another sports card break with Matt. Today we went by our local Cracker Barrel and again scored another pack of the 2021 Series 1 Fat Pack, guys. There's 40 cards in this pack. You can look for relics and autographs and all that good stuff. There's even a no purchase necessary right here on the back. Pull this back for you guys right there. So go ahead and pause that out there and write that down, guys. Send it on the little 3x5 card and you get a chance to get like a free card at the same chances as buying one of these packs, guys. So here we go. Like I said, these come from Cracker Barrel. I haven't had any decent luck. I've pulled some nice rookies out of these before now. Don't get me wrong, like the Joe Adele, Pache, all that stuff right there. But I still haven't gotten any like autographs or relic cards like it's talking about you can find in these, guys. So here we go. Pack is opened. 40 cards. I'm going to take half the stack right here. And let's get it. We got Trey Turner. Nice little Trey Turner. We got George Alfaro. Brandon Nitzer. We got a Garrett Cole. Who we got here? We got a Mitch Keller. Here comes our sideways cards. We got Manny Machado. Juan Soto. We got Detroit Tigers. We've got Josh Harrison. Jose Urena. Ian Anderson's rookie card. That's nice to have right there. A huge Atlanta Braves fan, because a lot of you that watch the channel know that that is the closest MLB team to my area. Got David Dahl. Jacob deGrom. Jock Pederson. Another Jacob deGrom. This is a leaguers. Now, it looks like the same exact picture, basically. But it's not. Different face. And like I said, one's a league leader. So that's pretty close to being the same card right there, though. We got Future Stars card of Brendan McKay. Oh, we got something coming up. It's turned over backwards, guys. We got Tyler Chatwood. Here we go. What is it? Is this a numbered card or what? We got a Mike Trout that was turned backwards. For what reason, I don't know. It doesn't look like that would be a short print. The code is 230. So let me just look on the back of like a base card real quick. And these ones are 213, 213, and 213, guys. So that's 230. So that's actually a short print of Mike Trout right there, guys. So look at that. Let me show you on the back what I mean. As you can tell by codes, if they're short prints or not. And that right there's got the code of 230, not like the other ones right there, guys. So I'm guessing this is like an advanced stats. It's got all the stats right there, guys. So that's really cool right there. Definitely going to stick that to the side. So that was a reason that one was turned over for. I'm glad I checked out the code on that before I just threw that in a bunch of base card piles, guys. So here we go. We got a like chrome silver 4 hollow right here, guys, of the Pittsburgh Pirates. Nice little chrome card right there. Not numbered or anything special like that, but still it is a nice little hollow. So I'm going to stick that up here so far. So far we got a short print Mike Trout. That's awesome. So let's keep going. We got a 70 years of Topps with Cal Ripken Jr. Beautiful card right there. I actually have that actual original card, guys. We got JD Martinez. We got Mike Trout. Got Tyler Stevenson's rookie card. We'll stick that to the side. Got an Eddie Alvarez rookie card. Here we go. What else? We got Casey Mize rookie card, guys. Check that out in the Detroit uniform. We got Sixto Sanchez rookie card. Here's all our rookies that were hiding in the middle. We got Luis Castillo. Anthony Rizzo. We got Dylan Carson's rookie card, guys. Here's some more rookies right here. We got Joey Bart. That's a nice rookie. And this pack right here is just full of some rookies. We got Brandon Bilak. I'm sure that would be the last rookie, because that was just a lot of rookies right there in a row. We got Michael Lorenzen. Tim Anderson. We got Jose Quintana. Carter Kaboom. Evan Longoria. Miles Mikolas. Got JD Martinez, Ahmed Rosario, and the last one is going to be of Hector Neris. All right, so that was a lot of cards, guys. So here we go. Quick little recap of all our rookies and our best hits tonight, guys. Little Brandon Bialak right there, rookie card. Joey Bart, Dylan Carson, Sixto Sanchez. We got Casey Mize, Eddie Alvarez, Tyler Stevenson, and we got Ian Anderson's. Alright, then we got this silver foil right here of the Pittsburgh Pirates. I'm sure there's a Pirates fan out there that would love to get their hands on one of those right there. That's really nice card right there, guys. Really reflective. I love those little chrome hollows like that, little foil. And then what I believe is a short print of a Mike Trout card, guys. So that right there is awesome. Like I said, we'll show you the code on the back, 230, and I'm sure that is a short print. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful week. Peace.